pick your phone. What's Apple? They said it's a strong smartphone. See, nothing happened. Drop your own. It's strong. Drop it. You sure? Yeah. Oh, more. Oh shit! This is the Tecno Camon 40 Pro.
Wait. So after spending over 350,000 naira to get a Tecno Camon 40 Pro in this Tinubu region, because he said it is made with, Corning, Gorilla Glass, Power Rangers, Justice League, whatever, I will not start dropping it like this. And guys, this is not all. Like, just see the unboxing video.
Tecno Camon 40 Pro unboxing. Let's go!
Wow. Wait, though. Not only did they unbox this phone underwater, like they use this phone to make eba, like inside hot water, made eba, and the phone is still working. Hey, see, there are two things I have to say about this phone. First of all, Mr. Valosa, you have money because wow, you have money. And the second thing is, this phone is a very solid phone. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro is very solid. And this is why, Valo was able to do this without the fear of the phone damaging. Now, before you rush and go and buy this phone, because of what you've seen, relax. No, you need to understand or know if this phone, which is the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, is what is spending over 350,000 naira in Nigeria right now, or should probably go for another device, because we have, some iPhone, which is around 350k, around iPhone 12, right? We also have Samsung S Ultra series that's around 350k. So should you go for this Tecno Camon 40 Pro, or should you go for other, flagship devices? Now, one of the reasons why Valor was able to drop test the phone, over and over again was because this Tecno Camon 40 Pro is made with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. This is one of the strongest, screen on any smartphone. Tecno anticipated that we mistakenly drop our phone, and they did it so that we can pick up your phone even if you're not using any pouch and you will see no scratch. This is what they had to do on the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. This smartphone also has, IP69 water and dust tight resistance, guys. And this means you can actually dip your phone inside water, just like you saw on the unboxing video, which, Valo did. He unboxed the phone underwater and it's still working. Man, this is actually a very solid phone. Now, the back and the frame of this Tecno Camon 40 Pro is actually made of plastic. Well, in my own opinion, they would have used probably, aluminum or let's say titanium frame or a stronger glass back. Well, regardless of the frame they used and the back, right, they still made it look premium. Just look at this design. Guys, I want you to let me know in the comment section, don't you think this looks very premium and sleek? This phone is actually very nice. I actually love this design. It's a plus for this design on the Camon 40 Pro. Now, the Tecno Camon 40 Pro has this curved display, just like, most Samsung Ultra and also the itel S25 Ultra. Okay, and I love, this curved display. I'm talking about the itel S25 Ultra, right? I just got my hands on this, yes, and I'm currently making a video, on the S25 Ultra to see if it is the best budget phone under 250,000 naira. So I think you would want to watch this video after this, right? So all you need to do is to just click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon so that once I upload the video, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay. Now, the Tecno Camon 40 Pro has this side button which can, customize so that you can quickly open any app that you want. Okay, so this side button is kind of giving iPhone 16 series vibe, but the only difference is around the iPhone 16 just added the side button for the camera. With this Tecno Camon 40 Pro, you can actually customize it to be anything at all, be it, probably your WhatsApp, your camera app, or any other app you deem fit, right? So I think this is actually better than that of the iPhone 16 series. The cameras on the Tecno Camon 40 Pro is positioned vertically, and it has, its flashlight and also an IR blaster. It uses this on-display optical fingerprint sensor, right? Like most phones these days. And now, the funny thing about this phone is, this body build I talked about, right? It is not even the main selling point of the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. This is not the main selling point. Now, let's move out there. This Tecno Camon 40 Pro has its own AI, which is called the Tecno AI. And I've been wondering, since last year, we've been hearing of all AIs, from ChatGPT, to DeepSeek, to Grok, to Apple Intelligence, to Galaxy AI. Come on, even Gemini. It seems like there's something going on in this world about the whole AI. And Tecno said it is not going to be left out, and it brought out its own AI. So with Tecno AI, we have Ella, the voice assistant, right? So for Samsung, we have Bixby, we have Hey Google for Google, right? We have Siri for iPhone. And this for the Tecno Camon 40 Pro is Ella. Wow. It also has, smart touch, call assistance, you know, translation assistance, writing assistance, recording and summarization, real-time call translator, AI noise cancellation, AI power search enhancement, AI eraser. Now, all these AI features mentioned on the Tecno AI is just giving, Galaxy AI. Like everything is just so similar. Well, it's actually nice that Tecno is coming up and, getting the inspiration from whichever brand you're getting the inspiration from. Okay, but I really love this AI features on the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. There is one Tecno AI feature that I have not seen on any other device, which is you are able to extract text from anywhere. Even if you're watching videos on YouTube, you can really extract text from that video, right? When it comes to, let's say, Samsung or other AIs, you have to probably make a screenshot or pause, right, to do that. But with this, you can just extract those texts on your phone ASAP. So if you're wondering, how the Tecno Camon 40 Pro is able to handle all this AI without, lagging or probably overheating, then you should know that the Tecno Camon 40 Pro has the MediaTek Helio G100. Now, this processor is not the most powerful on a smartphone this year, but trust me, it handles all your work on this phone very, very well. Even if you have to play, let's say, heavy games, okay, it can still actually handle it. It's actually a very solid processor on a smartphone. So the Tecno Camon 40 Pro came out with, Android 15, which is the latest Android we have as of today. It has just one variant, which is the 8 gig RAM and 256 gig SSD, okay, and it does not have an SD card slot. So what you're going to do is just to manage your space, okay, and if you're like me that, I take a lot of videos in 4K and I always need like about 1 TB space, you need to just look for how you're going to manage your space, because it just has the 8 gig and 256 gig SSD. Now for the display, so the Tecno Camon 40 Pro uses this AMOLED display with a curved panel. It has, 120 Hz refresh rates, okay, and it is 6.7 inches phone, which is just like, what we have for the Ultra Samsung series or probably the Pro Max, on the iPhone, right? It also accepts, 1080p resolution. Okay, and now talking about the color accuracy, that is when you're watching, movies or probably playing game. This has, high color accuracy, and it gives the original color of anything you're actually watching on your smartphone. Is when it comes to display also, I think this phone is an amazing phone, right? So now off to the camera. Okay, because this is what most people would want to see for themselves. Does this phone take a very nice shot, or is still the same Android like we used to know? Okay, so the Tecno Camon 40 Pro has 50 MP wide and main camera, right? It also has 8 MP ultra wide, then 50 MP selfie camera. This phone is able to shoot in 4K, 30 FPS or 60 FPS, and it also produces HDR videos. Now, inside the camera app, it has what we call the flash snap. Now, this helps in capturing fast-moving objects with the best possible clarity. It also has auto snap, which helps you take pictures automatically, even if you don't press the shutter button. Wow, it seems like I'm going to get this phone because of all these amazing features I am talking about right now. This phone has 5200 mAh battery, Okay, and it also supports fast charging, 45 watts fast charging. You can charge your phone from 0 to 100% within 1 hour. And once it is fully charged, this phone can last you, for like a day, when you're using it normally for your normal day-to-day use, like your WhatsApp, your calls, your TikTok, Instagram. But if you are playing games or probably editing, then it may not stay up to that, full day. Okay, but aside that, this has a very solid battery. Now, with all of this I've mentioned, from the strong build of this Tecno Camon 40 Pro, the water resistance, the Tecno AI, the camera, right? Do you think you're going to spend 350,000 on this phone, or will you go for, let's say, the Samsung S20 Ultra, or probably an iPhone when I will still buy? Well, if you're looking to get an iPhone around that range, okay, so I have made a video where I talked about, you know, the best iPhones, the best budget iPhones to go for this year 2025, the worst iPhones you should not even think of going for at all. Yes, the oldest iPhone you can actually go for this year. Okay, I'm currently working on these videos just for you. So all you need to do to get all these videos right is to click the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon, so that once I upload that video, you guys will be the first to get notified. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video as we discover the smart online tips.